Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to insert an image in Confluence page. First, log into your Confluence. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on the space that you want to navigate. Here you will see its content. Just go ahead and select the page where you want to insert an image. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, click on this image icon to add one. Now, just go ahead and upload it. After that, select on an image that you want to upload, then open it. And there you have it. You now have your image in your Confluence page. You can go ahead and resize it according to your liking or to your layout. You can also go ahead and add another one if you'd like to. And that's just basically it. That's how you add an image in your Confluence page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.